Wow. I'm so excited to open this. My new MOOSOO vacuum cleaner. Wow.
So we just ordered this MOOSOO robot vacuum cleaner RT30, and we purchased this from Walmart. And the price, it's about $175. Yes.
US dollar.
Yeah. So let's open and see.
Okay, yeah. How do I open it? From here, actually. This is what?
Is the manual?
Steps. These are the steps, I guess. Download the app. What is
The
this?
first thing we see is this. Now there's a manual in it. So instruction and all you can follow from here. And we have charging cable,
Yeah, some filters.
Okay. Some extra filters. So we have 4 side brushes.
This is 2 cleaning brush.
And this is cleaning brush.
Remote.
Also comes with the remote. Let's see. This one is, I think, charging dock. Yes, charging dock. It's telling you to install an app by scanning this. So that's what we are doing. Plastic here that you can remove, but I am going to keep it until I use it and see if I like it or not, because in case if you want to return it, I don't want to mess it up. And now we are going to install this. It says left and right, so we are gonna follow that. This goes on the right. And this goes on the left. Just like this, click it. Click it. How you remove the dustbin?
Push this yellow button and then just
pull it out.
That's it, yeah.
The instruction.
The filter.
That's the extra filter. So they provide you 3 filters all together, 1 install and 2 extra. So we have to charge it before we use it. So when you put this on the charger, it will show you the green light here. So we will let this charge, and then we'll show you how this works on the hard floor and on the carpet. So let's turn on this.
Auto cleaning.
I have quite mess here, so let's see how it does. So I wanted to share very detailed informative video with you guys in case if you are planning to purchase this brand MOOSOO one. So I wanted to share, not only just do a box opening, but I wanted to tell you what I like personally about this and what I don't like about this vacuum remote. So that's for that reason I use for a couple of days and figured it out how it works. now I'm going to share with you the information about it. So right now it's running, and as you can see, it has cleaned it pretty well. It's not expensive one, so it does not come with certain features. So the one of them is to select the area. So now for example, I have this living room over here, and then from here my kitchen area and stuff started. So I have like open area, kitchen and living room. So now when every time I run this robot, what it does, it goes from there to all the way to there. So now if I want to just clean this living area, then I have to put something like this to block it, so that way it will just clean this area. So that's what I don't like about it. It does not have a area cleaning that you can select the area. So every place that it can escape, like from under the sofa, from this living room, it can come easily to my dining area. So I have to block this as well. I usually do not block the area for the robot, but unless I really need specific area to be clean, just like my living room. Now for the remote turn on button, then these are just the regular cleaning mode and turbo mode. So these are lower, this is regular one, and this is turbo. Now again, one thing I don't like about it, this robo vacuum, is if you are cleaning on the carpet, my carpet, as you can see, if you have carpet similar, you have to do a turbo cleaning. It does regular cleaning mode, it does work, but if you have stuff like for example, like a piece of paper, or anything like a piece of thing that can stick to a carpet, it will not vacuum it. It will just leave it as it is. I have seen that. Every time I have stuff on the floor, it will not pick it up because the suction is not that strong. Even though this is 2000 suction power, you have to do turbo mode on the carpet when you are running. If you're running on the hardwood floor, normal mode is fine, it will do the work. But for the carpet, if you want to make sure the carpet is pretty clean, then you have to pick the turbo mode. Another mode is spot cleaning. So if you want to clean a specific spot, this is good. It will go round and round and clean that spot. Now with this, it will start cleaning. These arrows, you can call and send the robot where you want. For example, I'll show you. Right now it's going this direction when I call him. So you have to keep pressing it, so it will turn around. And then you can just start this, press this, it will start cleaning.
Auto cleaning.
Twice, if you press, it will start cleaning. And then when you press this button right here, turbo mode, and as you can see, suction power will increase and it will do a good job cleaning the carpet. So now, good thing about this is I have run upstairs all over the place and it will not fall off the stairs. So pretty good sensor it has, like auto fall detection. Now another thing is, when the dustbin or basket is full, it does not tell you, so you have to make sure that you clean it regularly. I think if you're using so much, then once or twice per day, but you have to make sure that you clean it. Now if I don't block anything and just let it run, it will clean everything. It does not, it goes once, twice and 3 times same area but it will clean everything. First, when I run it, I was like, oh my god, this is leaving so much space in between in cleaning, and it's not cleaning everything. But it will run and it will go over and over the space. Need 3 times at least to make sure everything is vacuumed. So even though you cannot select anything specific area, like I say, so you have to deal with it. But then when it comes to cleaning, it will do a pretty good job. It will follow its own tracks, but it's gonna do a job. Now let's send this back to the dock for charging. So I will show you when I press this. So now it's going to charge himself.
Start charging.
I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that I gave you all the information is necessary for you to know that before you purchase this brand vacuum robot. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my video.